Hi. Okay, let's get this out of the way. One, I'm not employed by Comcast, not employed by Roku. I don't have no affiliations to them or the seller of their item. I'm just trying it out and testing the Roku app for Xfinity, or the app from Xfinity that works on the Roku. Now, I've been using Roku for I don't know how long because this is my first Roku, the first Roku ever came out. And this is the Roku XD. I have been using one right back here on my TV, or my Roku 3, because in the past, these things don't, they've been upgrading the hardware and the software where it could do things like back then it was just a solid streaming device that I used for Netflix, and after a while you realize there's certain functions on Netflix you couldn't use, or I used to use Crunchyroll, and you had two audio settings, one for English and one was in Japanese, and you couldn't flip back and forward, so you had to go up from a Roku 1 to a 2 and a 3. The one I'm using back here on this TV is a Roku 3 with the app on it. I have two other Rokus that are Roku 2s. And they basically, the model numbers are the 3050X, DX. And they do have a version 7.5 in it, and it has a build software of 4099-02. I don't know what it means, but it probably means that they cannot work in, the software cannot work in it. But it's the same in the Roku 3, same version, 7.5. The build is still the same, 4099-02. It works. It works in that. Okay, I'm going to put a list, and I'm probably going to put it right over here. And it's going to show all the Rokus that it could use and it can't use for right now. From the last 3 days that it's been out, because it's Friday, Saturday, and this is Sunday, I have noticed like a few things I would like to see improvements on. One, on some of the stuff, first off, I'm surprised the app works from channels. What channels I got on here? From channel 2 all the way up to 1,874. You got a few primary channels I know, some stars, which I have in my package still. It works, but right now I don't see no pay-per-view. So the on-demand functions of stuff that you paid in your premium package will probably work. If you had HBO, because right now I don't have HBO because I pick it up seasonal. All it goes on Game of Thrones. When Game of Thrones don't have no new episodes, then I drop it. When they got new episodes, I pick it back up. But all in all, I would like to see, because when your main menu, you have a save live TV, on demand, and search. On the live TV, if you wait until like the last 10 minutes before a show airs and you try to go to it, it will not go to that show on the live menu. You have to wait until the next thing comes up. So I guess it picks up where it left off. I wish it had two simple functions. One, favorites, where you could pick out your favorites channels, so you're going to have to go looking through the whole menu guide because you got so many channels. And you either put your favorite channels or your favorite networks or your favorite shows. But that save function on the menu only saves the shows that you went to, and you went and you looked halfway into the show, and then you went and probably paused it, or you went to bed and you realized another show came on. So then you go and look at it. And this is on the movies on demands, I meant to say. And then you want to come back and you look at it, and then go to that menu and it goes where you left off at. But it's because there's so many episodes and stuff, it has it needs to have like a favorite or some sort of menu for that. You can put your favorite channel or your favorite network or your favorite show. And because of that many things, you should have at least about 25 for like your 25 your favorite channels, 25 favorite networks, 25 your favorite shows. So you could just go straight to them. Another thing is settings. Okay, a couple of things I have noticed on here in last couple of days. Maybe it's because it's the buffering rate, because I'm looking at my notes and I'm thinking, if I went to, I'm going to see, can I leave Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs? Okay, come back. Go back one. Okay, I'm going to go over to movies. And I don't want it. Come on. That's another thing. Sometimes it has a long load time. Now, my Roku 3, you have an extra SIM card in it. I'm only using 7% of my SIM card out of a 10 gig SIM card, because I just put 10 gigs in the thing. And it's supposed to be helping you to use it for other apps for the channels. Y'all could probably acquire some of my extra memory from the SIM card to buffer out some of your load times on certain things. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. Okay, you. Now, okay, I'm trying to. Yeah. Okay, now, over. Okay, one of the things I noticed, and I'm going to on my saves, and I'm going to play it. And this is not the HD version of iRobot. And I can't tell, you can see it. Everything looks a little muddy, I must say, on the picture-wise. It's not as sharp. And this is iRobot on certain things, but Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs was sharp. So I think it's go by channel, or certain things each channel have to have a buffer rate or something like that. I'm just wondering if on settings, maybe you could manually set, if you had your own setting button, you could manually set the buffer rate to buff it out for a perfect showing of a show. Or if you want to see the show faster, then you lower the quality rating or something that's manual on yours. But here, I'm just supposed to say, it's just basically, it's on them. I guess it's on their first week. This is their first week of having this, because it started on January 31st was the first day of this app. I'm started on the weekend, and I'm now saying they probably in their first version of testing out, because this app is only a beta test until they get everything working right. So the demands what I like to see is a better quality on certain video pictures and better response time. Another thing is you still got Roku 2s, DH devices in some stores. That's the model 3050X, and those are the ones that has a game component where you use controllers like this one with the two bottom buttons, the green and blue, and you can use this as a video game unit. So maybe y'all could take advantage of that. So you need to either add some more Rokus on there or whatever. But so far as all, I sort of like the idea of this, and I would like to see more of this on certain Roku things or any other stuff. But I keep informed of what that's going on with it. But it's me, Ollie Talbert, signing off. Bye. And if you like it, let me know.